Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have LAUV here with the song called Love You Like That. Alright, so we LAUV is back here again on Growing Guitar. Many songs we had him here before, so this time we have another great song here. We have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song with 1 strumming pattern, so that's great. Let's take a look at this. We start with capo here on the 1st fret. And the first chord will be A, so we'll look at that, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Next chord is the F sharp minor, so you place a bar here on the 2nd fret, you bar all strings there, and then the rest will be 4th on A added, and then also 4th on D. That's the F sharp minor. Next chord is the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So in that order, A, F sharp minor, D, and A. And E. Sorry. Yeah. Anyway, let's take a look at the strumming pattern. We have the first chord, which is the A. So it goes like this. I'm going to play it for you one round first and then explain how it's done. So that's one round. Okay, so it starts with down, clap. So down, clap, and then comes down, up, down. And these ups there, you don't have to go all the way up like this. It's too much. You just turn your wrist like that and give it a kick on the top strings down here, the E, B or so. So that comes right after. So down, clap, then down, up, down. And then comes the final clap down. All right. So if we build this together, everything, it will be down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. So like this. That is one round. Again. And in a standard way, standard tempo, something like this. So on. All right, so now it's just to play 2 strumming rounds per chord in the same way through entire song. So A2, F sharp minor 2, D2, and E2 like this. So on. Alright guys, this was LAUV's Love You Like That. Good luck with this one, guys. Subscribe to this channel and help me out here. Thank you for your power here, your motivation to me to continue to this, and till next time, play tuned.